Jigboman live in City Girls Secondary School, WTC, Enugu State. We have come to show them what we got for them. Jigbo, the best food so far when it comes to packaged food. Jigbo Sharp Sharp, Abacha Sharp Sharp.
Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon. You may not shout now. Good afternoon. My name is Funaya. And we are from Michelle Food. So they were doing a campaign, and the name of that campaign is Hygienic Food Advocacy. And do you know why we are doing this campaign? Because of the recent happenings. A lot of artificial food, a lot of synthetic food, a lot of death, and we don't like losing our young ones. We, the Michelle Food, we went back to the drawing board and we came up with this. This is Jigbo Instant African Salad. So say Jigbo Instant African Salad. Jigbo Instant African Salad. So I'm not going to tell you anything about this. I'm going to invite the one and only. The one and only. The one and only.
I greet you all. I greet you all, my people. My name is Jigboman. Jigboman.
Okay, you know how to dance the way Jigboman is dancing. If you know that I know that we all know that you can do this, I just need just 3 people just get out. Alright. Thank you.
Jigboman. Abacha Sharp Sharp. Abacha Sharp Sharp. Today we are going to see the magic.
Okay.